Hello, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 16. Imagine it was 14, that would have sounded much cooler. I've just eaten breakfast. I'm not really sure what the plan is today. I know step one is to find a bikini to wear, so let's do that together because it's always a difficult choice to make when you have the collection I do. More in the bathroom, but I think I need... That could have ended really badly. So let's look at the options we've got. There's my sunglasses. Okay. I have my one piece, which is always a gorgeous option, but if I'm going to the beach, not so much of a gorgeous option. I have this set, which I haven't worn before, with the matching bottom. I might try these on and see what I think. Hold on, let me see if I can find the bottoms. Because I bought, these are from Cotton On. I love this pattern so much, but I bought them like, I want to say 2-3 years ago now. But I have never worn them because I just didn't like the bottoms. They're a bit revealing for me personally. I'll try them on and see how I feel in them actually, but I'll have a backup pair just in case I don't like it. Actually, this one might be a good option. This will be my backup pair, I think. I just need to find the bottoms. BRB. So this is what we're working with. I don't know how I feel about it, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna wear it and I'll just take some swim shorts just in case I feel a bit uncomfortable. It has been an absolutely gorgeous day. We didn't have the biggest success with snorkeling because it was like too seaweedy, but it was still gorgeous and feeling very content and happy and yes. It's time to say goodbye to the beach as we're gonna go get lunch, so bye gorgeous. This is such a gorgeous day, but we're starving. We're just gonna go get some food now and we'll keep you updated. We got Taco Bell. I got a Crunchwrap Supreme. Look at that bad boy. Are you joking? Let me just, definitely worth the 40-minute drive. It's time for a little update. So it's now like 4:02 and I went to Kmart. I didn't bother recording because I knew that I wasn't going to record in there because I get anxious. And I got 3 of the other flower construction things to do because I've already done the pot ones in some of my other videos, but these are just like the standard. I wanted to open this. I don't know if we'll take it today because there's still a weather warning, but we'll see. The only problem is I don't think this comes with like a bag. Like my stand-up paddleboard has a carry bag. I don't think this comes with a carry bag. So this is what we looks like when we open the box. So we've got our 2 oars, a foot pump. Oh, and then we've got the boat itself. Should we test out the boat in the pool before we take it to the beach? Let me see if I have a bag that will fit this because I think it might be a bit impossible to transport this without a bag, to be honest. Put my feet through it like this. Okay, that works.
What?
I got it to fit a bag. So we've decided it's probably a good idea to do a trial pump before we like take anywhere, just in case. I'm not my toes out. Don't look at my toes. Pick her up and bring her to uni. So it's definitely big. So I'm assuming you put that bit there. Hi, camera. Now it's just about getting into it. Oh. Thank you so much. Honestly, it's kind of sturdy. Knock on wood. But just vibing. We now know that the boat can hold someone. I don't think we should try both of us. I don't think that would end well, to be honest. But I think I'm going to deflate it now because I'm getting a bit worried about the rocks along my pool. But it's good to know that it inflates and the size of the thing. So honestly, it's kind of fire. Okay, I'm going to deflate it now. We are at the beach and it is very windy and a little bit chilly, but it's very pretty nevertheless. But I am extremely exhausted and I have a tummy ache. I had to put sunglasses on because the sand kept blowing straight into my eyeballs. The sun sets at like 7:14. It's currently 6:32, so